Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. My friend Miriam from the Buffalo Jewish Federation is here to help us do what, Miriam?
I'm so excited to be here with you. We are making fresh, homemade horseradish. It is so easy, you're not going to believe it.
Okay, so easy because it's only how many ingredients?
2 ingredients.
Okay, what are they?
Okay, so you need fresh horseradish root and distilled white vinegar.
That's it.
That's it. And you need either a good food processor or a good blender. And that's all you need.
And I see you have 2 different types of horseradish root.
So these smaller ones, if you grow horseradish at home, if you're a gardener, it's actually really easy to grow. It's a tuber. They'll come out looking like this. Sometimes the smaller ones are a little more pungent and potent, just so you know. This beautiful root came from Tops.
Nice.
This is the root that we're using today. And a root like this will be good if you're hosting a Passover Seder. That will be enough fresh horseradish for your whole Seder.
Nice, and then you put it in your processor, food processor or blender.
Once you get to sort of a fine crumbly texture, you start adding distilled white vinegar until you reach a texture that you like.
Okay, and this is the texture that we like. So I'm
This
going
is
to
the
try
texture
this,
we
a
like.
little bit of this.
Okay.
And what's the significance behind?
Okay, so we are eating these foods as part of a Passover Seder. So, you know, food is love, it's nourishment, but it's also symbolic. So this symbolizes the bitterness of what Jewish people went through when they were living in Egypt. And many of us know the Exodus story. So we very often eat horseradish with matzah. Matzah is unleavened bread. An important part of the holiday. Yeah, eat more matzah. That's good, bland. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix horseradish with charoset, which symbolizes the sweetness of freedom. So in Jewish food ritual, we're always trying to balance sadness and bitterness with sweetness. So we do this as part of our Passover Seder.
I love this.
Isn't that
I love
good?
this. Thank you so much for all of this, Miriam. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get both of these recipes and learn more about the Buffalo Jewish Federation. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Great to be here.
Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.